Hi class, welcome to Social Work 648, Children and Families at Risk. I just want to spend a minute going over a little bit about what this class is going to be about this semester and what you can expect. What is a family? What is society's responsibility to families? What are the responsibilities of families to society and to the communities in which they live? The primary environment for children to grow, learn, and develop is with their families. We know that data suggests that this is where children have the best overall outcomes. What we know, of course, is that sometimes it's not that simple. There are an endless amount of ways that families can be at risk in our current society. Adverse childhood experiences, complex trauma, homelessness, substance abuse, poverty, limited educational opportunities, intersections with the criminal justice system, immigration, community violence, the list goes on. Individual members come and go, divorce and death happen, boundaries blur, and systems break down. Sometimes parents have limited tools, both personal and practical, to be able to provide the support that children need. Sometimes families are at risk because of circumstances, and sometimes families are at risk because of the direct impact of harmful social policies. This course will explore these and many more themes. We will ask the questions about how we as a society and as social workers need to intervene in the most strengths-based and effective ways to produce the best outcome for families in order to give children the best opportunities to thrive. This class will also focus a lot on the ways that children and vulnerable adults can become victims of abuse and neglect within their family context. This class will explore the role of the public child welfare system in exercising ethical and effective interventions in families where children and vulnerable adults are being abused or suspected of such. We will look at the ethical issues involved in the public child welfare system, as well as the many ways that children and families are affected by the dynamics of racism, heterosexism, nativism, and classism. We will also look at times, both in history and presently, when the state has overstepped in its interventions and violated the rights of families. Much of the material in this course deals with the intersection of families with the public child welfare system. I encourage you to consider the ways that social workers are involved in not only the public child welfare system, but the many, many ways that social workers are working with families in dynamic, diverse ways within communities and in homes. I'd like for us to consider what factors go into the welfare of children and families before or apart from any potential interaction with the child welfare system. Some of this material may be hard to digest for personal and professional reasons. You will have the opportunity to reflect on your feelings as you navigate the readings, and you'll become experts on a particular subject area of children and families at risk to present to us and discuss your recommendations for interventions. I look forward to having strong conversations with you on these topics during the next 7 weeks.